Origins 19420. Let's do this thing. If there's a card for the Fever, we'll randomize. If not, no point. All right. For the Storm, Jordan Horston. Kalani Brown. For the Wings, for the Sparks, Chini Oglemike. For the Wings, Natasha Howard to 25. There's a redemption. Okay, we'll put that down. For the Comet, Cheryl Cooper auto. For the Liberty, Courtney Vandersloot. For the Aces at 35, Sydney Colson. For the Aces, Kelsey Plum. Drip. Pass the ball, bro. And for the Lynx, Maya Moore. Here we go, the redemption. This, I got a good feeling about this. Jersey autographs, card 8, Haley Jones. I don't know. That's Origins 10420. Yeah, I don't like, I feel like the acid's the shortcut to making it spicy. Like, I think you gotta balance it out.